Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, students, in our today's online class, we have done some practice questions of block 3. Now we will discuss these questions in again. Okay. So these are your practice questions. Now let's discuss the question 1. Read the lines from the play Dad versus Dinner and tick the correct sentences. Dad, slightly impatient now but still excited. Children, get up, wash your hands and come to the table. I have made a yummy tummy casserole for dinner. So A part, Dad is speaking to Samir and Ria. B part, Dad is excited about the movie that he is going to watch. No. Dad is dealing with the crisis of nobody coming for dinner table. Yes. C part को आप टिक करोगे. Dad is looking forward to spending some quality time with his family at the dinner table. Yes. So in this question you have to tick the C part and D part. I hope this question is clear to you. There is question 2. Read the lines from the play Dad versus Dinner. Answer the questions. So there are two lines. Ria lowers her book direct, distractedly. Hi Dad, can I read while eating? Mom always lets me. Dad, firmly. No books at the dining table. It's a family dinner. Come on. It will be fun. Okay. So there are the some question. A part. Why is Ria not allowed to read at the table? So now let's discuss. Ria is not allowed to read because dad doesn't want her to distracted while spending and sharing dinner time with the family. B part. How would the dinner be fun? So the dinner will be fun because the family members will talk to each other and spend more some quality time together. I hope B part is clear to you. There is a C part. What does the line mom always lets me suggest about the usual dinner scene? So it suggests that the family doesn't sit and bond with each other while eating. I hope C part is clear to you. Question 2 is clear. There is third question. Everyone in the play Dad versus Dinner is busy in his and her own world. This surprises the readers and adds on element of humor to play. So match the members with the tasks. Here Samir playing on the phone, Mom doing office work, grandmother remembering the past, Ria reading. I hope question 3 is clear to you students. There is question 4. Read the lines from the play Dad versus Dinner. Answer the question. So you have to read these lines and answer the question. So now let's discuss the question. Why is Dad excited? So dad is excited because he is cooking for a family dinner. There is a B part. Do the children look excited? No. How do you know this? So the children are not excited because they keep doing what they are busy with. I hope B part is clear to you. There is C part. Which issue is the author trying to highlight here by using humor? The author is trying to highlight the importance of spending quality time with the family in the rushed lives we lead today. So the author is trying to highlight the importance of spending quality time with the family. I hope question C is clear to you. Question 4 is clear. We will leave the question 5. Okay. Question 5 का role play है जब क्लास में होगा. There is question 6. In the blanks by choosing the words from the box. Here is the help box and you have to choose one word for the one blank. A part. The girls sitting at the back are always giggling. B part. She was dashed by the loud sound of the crackers. Distracted. Okay, C part. The dash did not enjoy the performance. Audience. I hope question 6 is clear to you. So student, these are your practice questions. After watching this video, you have to do these practice questions. So thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. Okay, bye bye students. Have a nice day.